Hey everyone, Tara Manicsic here, and I'm excited to see you this Saturday, July 11th at the Web Cluster webinar. I'll be talking with you about what is inside the Jamstack. So this is covering all the technology inside this architecture that helps you get fast and reliable sites. Things like working on edge nodes in the CDN or content delivery networks, coupling architecture, in many ways, one being like working with headless CMSs, and also pre-rendering assets with things like static site generators, and a lot more. So hopefully I'll see you there.